tired of stubborn acne spots that refuse to fade away? If the answer is yes, you're not alone. Acne is a common skin issue that can affect anyone at any age. And while a regular skincare routine is crucial, sometimes a more targeted approach is needed to tackle those stubborn spots. That's where Acne Spot Clean comes in. It's a specialized approach that zeroes in on individual blemishes rather than treating the entire face. Picture it like a sniper, taking out each zit or pimple one by one. This method understands that different areas of our skin may need different types of care, making it a more effective and efficient solution. So instead of blanketing your whole face with treatment, Acne Spot Clean allows you to focus on the areas that need it the most. With Acne Spot Clean, we're targeting those pesky spots head-on. So what makes these Acne Spot Clean products so effective? Well, it's all about the ingredients. Let's dive in and explore the key components that make these products your secret weapon against acne. First up, we have benzoyl peroxide. Now, this is a name you've probably heard before. Benzoyl peroxide is well known for its antibacterial properties. It works by reducing the number of acne-causing bacteria on your skin and helping to unclog those pesky pores. That's right, it's a 2-for-1 deal with benzoyl peroxide, bacterial reduction and pore unclogging. Next on the list, we have salicylic acid. This is a beta-hydroxy acid that is sublime at exfoliating the skin and, you guessed it, unclogging pores. Salicylic acid gently removes dead skin cells and helps to prevent future breakouts. It's like a personal bodyguard for your skin, keeping those unwanted acne intruders at bay. Last, but definitely not least, we have tea tree oil. This is a natural oil with antimicrobial properties. It can be a real game changer in reducing inflammation and killing bacteria associated with acne. And the best part, it's a gentler approach. So, for those of you with sensitive skin, tea tree oil might just be your new best friend. These 3 ingredients, each with their unique properties, come together to create Acne Spot Clean products. They each play a crucial role, whether it's reducing bacteria, clearing out pores, or soothing inflammation. It's like a supergroup of acne-fighting powerhouses. But remember, while these ingredients are powerful, they need to be used with care. Too much of anything can be harmful, and overuse can lead to dryness and irritation. Always follow the product guidelines and use these treatments judiciously. Armed with these powerful ingredients, Acne Spot Clean products can help you wage war on blemishes. With these products in your skincare arsenal, clearer, healthier skin is within your reach. So here's to understanding what goes into our skincare products and making informed choices for healthier, happier skin. Now that we know what's inside these products, how do we use them? Let's dive right in. First, it's all about preparation. Kickstart your routine by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. This ensures that your skin is clean, allowing the spot treatment to work its magic more effectively. After cleansing, pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Remember, rubbing can irritate your skin and exacerbate your acne, so always be gentle. Next, it's time to bring out your Acne Spot Clean product. Using a clean fingertip or applicator, carefully apply a small amount of the spot treatment directly onto your blemish. This is targeted skincare, so avoid applying it to unaffected areas to prevent unnecessary dryness. Now this is crucial. Follow the product guidelines. Each product is unique with different concentrations of active ingredients. Overusing spot treatments can lead to dryness and irritation, so always stick to the recommended usage and duration provided by the product. And finally, the secret ingredient, consistency. Incorporate Acne Spot Clean into your skincare routine regularly. Results may not be immediate, and that's okay. It's important to be patient and avoid picking at blemishes, which can worsen the situation. Remember, patience is key when it comes to skincare. Give your skin the time it needs to heal. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Acne Spot Clean is a targeted approach to tackle individual acne spots, using key ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, and tea tree oil. The correct use involves cleansing, applying the spot treatment, following product guidelines, and maintaining consistency. Remember, different areas of your skin may require unique attention, and consistency is key in any skincare routine. Embrace the power of Acne Spot Clean and take a step closer to clearer, healthier skin.